Hi, friends. I hope you're having a great day, and if it's your weekend, when you're watching this, a great weekend. Today's video is a plan with me for July, and I'm creating a a kind of pattern inspired journal journal spread. And what it is I'm starting initially by designing a cover. And to start with that, I was looking in my design books and over some art that I still find inspiring. And I know that I wanted to do something that was inspired by sacred geometry and nature. And so I started by doing the sacred flower of life, as the center point or the guide or the grid for the actual pattern that I want to design. And so I started by doing that with my compass and pencil, drawing out the sacred flower of life. And then after that, I would draw my designs in there. Now, the reason I took this approach was I wanted to design initially a book cover, which I did. And then inside the book cover, this is what the journal spread would be like. It was inspired by Minnie Small's video. She did a video about designing a notebook, and this was the design I did for her mini mission, where artists and designers could share their designs of a book cover. So this is the one that I created for that brief, and then I really wanted to take it into a spread for a journal. So that's what we have today. And I'm hoping that this will inspire you on your journals and just to kind of think of it like a mini art project so that you're still developing your creativity. But even so, whichever way your approach is, it's all about trying new and different ways of doing things. So you can see there I've drawn out my designs. They're of drawings I did outside, and then I put them into a pattern, and then I used the flower of life motif parts of it to kind of inspire design along with the little hands as well. So that's basically kind of the basic idea of it. And now you can see me just painting it. I knew from the start that I wanted to do it blue and white, tonal blue, because you can see at the start I showed some pictures of patterns that I liked, and a lot of them were blues or tones of blues, and I just love the blue tones and how relaxing it is to look at. I really do enjoy the way the blue tones look on white. So then, as I said, I wanted to take it into a journal spread. So I took parts of the design and the tracings that I did in creating the original design to make journal pages. So you can see there I've got the hand again on one and the flower on the other, taking the design across, and then I'm going to write in the months and the goals. And the question I have for you guys is, I always do ask a question, is what are your goals for the month of July? So I hadn't actually yet figured out what my goals were when I was writing this, and I think I'm still reflecting on the goals I created last month. So I know that I just wanted to have the spread ready so I could sit down later and kind of reflect on last month's goals and see what goals I want to create for the next month. Are they aligned with what I want to create in the bigger scheme of my goals of life, or what I want to create in the next few months? So those are the kind of questions you ask yourself when you're making your monthly plans. And of course, the gratitude list, which I find is a staple in my monthly journal now. I find it really empowering. Sometimes I can be lazy to write out the stuff, but then once I sit down and start, I find that I'm really delight in enjoying the process of looking for things to be grateful about. Well, guys, as always, thank you for watching today's video. You know how much I appreciate every view and subscriber. Thank you so much. Have a great day and bye for now. Happy being creative. Bye.